Hello dear viewers. One of the best morning habits that you can develop in your life is having a glass of water and putting in that soaked chia seed. Having chia seeds every day has immense benefit. Before we go further, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you are new. You can also like and share it with your friends if you feel we deserve it. Now, let's start with weight reduction. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of dietary fibers, which is essential for weight reduction. The high content in chia seeds help you feel fuller for longer period, reducing the urge to overeat or snack on unhealthy food. By incorporating chia seeds in your regular diets, you are adding significant amount of fiber, which can help in controlling your appetite and managing your weight. In addition to their fiber content, chia seeds has a unique ability to absorb liquid, and when chia seeds come into contact with liquid, they form a gel-like substance due to their high soluble fiber content. This gel-like consistency helps slow down the digestion process and create some feeling of fullness in your stomach. As a result, you are likely to eat less, consume lesser calorie, leading to weight reduction over time. It is also good for digestion. The fiber acts as a natural bulk-forming laxatives. This promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you are helping to keep your digestive system running smoother and efficiently. Furthermore, chia seeds fibers acts as prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These healthy bacteria play a vital role in maintaining a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for optimal digestion. By promoting a healthy gut environment, chia seeds can improve nutrient absorptions, reduce digestive issues, and support overall gut health. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine is simple. You can add them to your morning smoothies. Sprinkle them on the top of yogurt or salads. Start with a small amount, such as a tablespoon, and gradually increase to suit your preferences and bodily response. Remember, while chia seeds can be a valuable addition to your weight reduction and digestion journey, it's important to listen to your body and make adjustments that works best for you. Enjoy the benefits of chia seeds and embrace the healthier and happier you. Till the next video, take care and be healthy.